Welcome to the third and final video in our series covering House Bill 2381, which makes noteworthy changes to local board, employer, and PSPRS operations. My name is Phil Coleman, and I'm the Employer Relationship Manager with PSPRS. This video covers the new law's impact on PSPRS oversight of local boards for public safety and corrections employers. These changes, effective in January 2022, are designated to make retirement and benefit application processes more efficient. Carrying out this process and duty requires different roles for PSPRS, employers, and local boards, who work together to ensure that timely, impartial decisions are made on behalf of members, retirees, and survivors. The PSPRS Board of Trustees and, by extension, the agency itself have a fiduciary obligation to all participants in the system. Local boards are responsible for determining member eligibility, applications for disability, and line of duty death benefits. Both work to provide, as written in statute, a uniform, consistent, and equitable statewide retirement system for members and retirees. PSPRS has a fiduciary obligation. This means PSPRS at all times acts in the best interest of the system's members. This duty requires exercising care in decision-making, keeping costs at a reasonable level, and acting in good faith when executing the law. Under existing state law, PSPRS may make decisions to protect the assets of the pension trust under its management. The agency and its trustees cannot honor determinations that violate IRS provisions governing tax-exempt public pensions. Please note that PSPRS is already authorized by law to take action to protect the fund and the proper administration of the fund. Local boards are government entities independent from their corresponding public employers. As such, the new law clarifies that attorneys hired by local boards must be independent of the employer, system members, and other beneficiaries. The new law requires that each local board must at a minimum adopt model uniform rules to govern operations, dispute resolution, and other board duties. These rules will be made available by PSPRS. However, local boards may establish additional provisions for their own operations. The new law authorizes PSPRS to request documentation and records from local boards and employers pertaining to the administration of all public safety, correction officers, and elected officials' retirement plans. This may include records related to eligibility, disability, and line of duty death determinations, member and beneficiary disputes, or complaints against local boards. Please note that this cooperation already occurs in practice. The new law simply clarifies this relationship. Finally, the new law provides PSPRS legal discretion to determine and enforce local board non-compliance with state law and model uniform rules. In the event of a non-compliance finding, PSPRS will work with local boards to ensure corrective action. If the board fails to take corrective action within 60 days of non-compliance finding, PSPRS may assume legal control of all board operations until the matter is resolved.